Hey everyone, this is Next Archer. I'm going to be fixing my case small toothpick. What's wrong with it is it's horribly centered. As you can see, it's all the way to the right, actually touching. And there's a bunch of blade play. I've actually fixed some of it, and just back and forth. It also, when I was first fixing it, it was very easy to open and close. The back spring was not wanting to work at all. So what I'm doing, I am clamping this down a little more so that it gets rid of the blade play. So you just take a piece of leather, wrap it around there so that it does not scratch it. Take a rubber mallet, okay. Still has a lot. Has still all the way over to the side, so I will do this some more. But this is how you fix the blade play in slip joint knives. I'm not wanting to send it into the case factory as I'd have to pay like $3 shipping. Then I'd have to wait a long time and it's not even worth it. Not for this knife at least. Plus it gives me an opportunity to make a video. And if this does nothing, I can always try sending it in. Still off center, but blade play has, so I'll show you, has been minimized. Still has a decent amount, but it's okay for now. Still not happy about how the grind was off center when I got it though. Probably see that and that. So, oh well. It's much better than it was. Not completely fixed. So I'll probably continue doing this. And I'll show you guys if I fix it completely. And I'll see you later. Bye.